If you have mental health difficulties, you have a right to be heard, listened to, and have your wishes and decisions respected. In 2023, Ireland introduced a new law that impacts people with mental health difficulties and their right to make decisions about matters that affect them. This is called the Assisted Decision-Making Capacity Act and brings an end to the wards of court system and, in some cases, an end to substitute decision-making. Decisions should no longer be made about you without you. If you need assistance to make your own decisions, you have a right to support and information to help you make decisions in a way that respects your wishes and preferences. These decisions may relate to healthcare, personal welfare, property, or money. Professionals can no longer make decisions about you without listening to your input. They must now presume that you have the capacity to make decisions. They must work to find out your will and preferences, and they must respect your wishes and decisions. There are different levels of decision support arrangements available to you depending on what you want and need. More information on the types of legal decision support arrangements is available on the Decision Support Services website, decisionsupportservice.ie. While this is a positive step forward for human rights in Ireland, there are still gaps in our assisted decision-making law that fail to protect people who are involuntarily detained in inpatient mental health facilities. Mental Health Reform is campaigning for the urgent reform of the Mental Health Act to address this issue and ensure equality for all people with mental health difficulties. The best way to access your decision support rights is to learn about them and talk about your wishes and preferences to your support networks. You can also make an Advance Healthcare Directive, sometimes known as an AHD. This is a written legal document which sets out your instructions in relation to the healthcare treatments you wish to refuse in the future if you no longer have the capacity to do so. Writing down your wishes, will, and preferences for the treatments you do and don't want in the future means that people will have the information and legal obligation to respect your decisions. If you are a healthcare practitioner or you work in law, finance, and estate planning, there is a range of training and education resources available to you. This information will support you to make sure people can access their human rights. If you are a person with experience of mental health difficulties and you would like to learn more, please get in touch with Mental Health Reform and we can signpost you to the relevant information and support. Your voice, your choice. This video was produced with the support of the HSE.